Here I have Realme Narzo N53, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be like people, could be messages, calls. You can add apps to exceptions, you can add alarms, media, sounds and other sounds. You can set up a schedule for this mode. You can set up default duration of it, and you can also hide notifications, like you can hide visuals and sound notifications, or you can only hide sounds. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.